Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Drive, Google, Com or the Google One app and signing into the exact account you plan to upgrade. Make sure your payment method is ready, a Bangladeshi-issued card, an international card, or mobile carrier billing if available. You need to check current storage to pick the right tier because choosing too small forces an early upgrade, choosing too large wastes money. Once signed in, tap the Storage or Google One banner to begin selecting plans and prices shown for Bangladesh. Once on the Google One page, compare available tiers 100 GB, 200 GB, or 2 TB, and weigh monthly versus yearly billing because yearly usually saves money. Make sure the price displays in BDT and that taxes or conversion fees are acceptable. This prevents surprises on your statement. Tap the plan you want, review the billing address and payment card details, then authorize the purchase. After you confirm, Google processes the charge and immediately allocates additional storage to your account. After confirming payment, you should receive an email receipt and see the new total in Drive storage settings. If you don't, refresh and sign out and back in. If a payment fails, try re-entering card CVV, use a different card, or switch to mobile carrier billing where supported banks sometimes block international authorizations. If charges appear but storage didn't increase, contact Google support from your account's help menu and provide the receipt. They can resolve provisioning or refund issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.